Hi, my name is David. I'm going to show you a simple DIY project to tidy up your garden canes. They will look like this when you first put them somewhere tidy, but not long after they will be looking like this. A real mess all over the place, but with a simple DIY project you can soon have them looking like this, nice, tidy and ready for use whenever you want them. To do this project you will need a bin. This one is 80 litres. You will need some 20mm gravel, 10mm gravel, a pistol drill, a 5mm drill and a 15mm drill. Approximate sizes, not important. Turn the bin upside down and drill random holes using the small drill. Open them up using the large drill. Turn the bin over, load in 20mm gravel, then the 10mm gravel. Turn the bin over again, put the lid on top, using the small drill. Use pilot holes randomly around the top, then use the large drill to open them out. Finally, it's just loading the canes at random, whenever you want, where you want, no real order at all, just do it as you like. They will soon look like this and you will have a nice tidy storage place for your canes. They will be there whenever you want them, ready for use at any time and not on the floor. That's it, job done.